As a fur mom, it's very important for us to always start our year strong. Diba, Survivor? Today, we're going to show you how we're doing that. From my adult cats, Spunky, Kronos, Stinky, and to our latest rescue kitten, Quaz, and to the rest of the 17 meows. Iba-iba man sila ng age, same pa rin ang goal ko, to support their health every single day. Elsie Vit Plus has been my cat's favorite for a long time now. Madali siyang ihalo sa food and they enjoy it with their meals. Even with Quaz recovering, his vet also advised us to continue with Elsie Vit Plus as part of his daily nutrition support. I also give them Nutrical daily to help support their calcium needs. Napaka-importante nito for growing kittens and even active adult cats. For me, vitamins help support their energy, immunity, and overall health. Starting the year strong with healthy, happy meows. Thank you, AVLI BioCare.